which solves the problem of the students in creating a good timetable for themselves. So the name is Plan Pilot. So here in this video I am going to explain all the functionalities, all the things we have done to create this website, and I will show you all the functionalities related to it, all the minor and major functions of our website. So let's get started. So here is our main page, and we have a navigation bar here, we have some buttons, we have a functionality of light mode and dark mode. I like the light dark mode, so we will go through that. Now it is our front page, so let's start off by getting started. So it redirects us to a page, login.php. We have used a Google sign-in authenticator, so you can log in to through your Gmail. Let's log in. Okay, so we have successfully logged in through our Gmail, and we have been redirected to a page, to dashboard. Okay, so we have here a lot of options: quick read, recent timetables, export option. We will see them in a few time. Let's start off by creating a new timetable. So we have been redirected to this page, generate timetable. So here is where we will create our new timetable. So we have time preferences, courses, and conflicts and block times here. So let's create a basic timetable. Let's say I'm going to be entering 3 subjects here. So let's just quickly fill the details and then we'll proceed. So here we have entered all the details. We have added 3 subjects and some random details. We have subject of INT 219, 220 and 408. Here we have given the credit hours of 3 to INT 219, 4 to INT 220 and 3 to 408. We will see how it is affecting our timetable. We will see it later. Then we have set it sessions per week, room, instructor, subject complexity, preferred session length, and special notes for this class. So now we are good to go. So let's click on generate AI timetable. So now we have generated an AI generated timetable. We have used Gemini API here for creating this timetable. So let's see how effective is our timetable and how it is working. So earlier I said that we have given more time to more credit to INT 220. So what it does, the AI analyzes it and it gives the subject with more credit. It usually set it up on the earlier half of the day. So we have peak focus at that time, so it gives it preference first. Then we have 9219, 408, and as you can see, all of our 3 subjects have been evenly distributed along the whole week. So our timetable basically ensures that the student doesn't get it doesn't get a lot of workload, and it manages its time effectively. We have added subsequently good amount of break time and self-study times, in that student can independently study or do some group works. So We have study recommendations here, and we have some timetable actions here. Print timetable, export as PDF, save to interactive timetable, and generate new timetable. So let's click on this save to interactive timetable. So yes, so this is our interactive timetable page where we can view and manage our personalized class schedule. Now what it contains is, it contains a weekly summary of whatever subjects we have added. Like we have added INT 408, 409, 220. So it shows how many hours we are going to learn those subjects. Then we have created a deadline here. Let's suppose the student want to create a deadline. You can create a deadline like activity 1. You can set the due date to 21, and subject could be mathematics. It shows 7 days left to activity 1. Now we have a weekly schedule overview also. It shows per day of the week how many classes are there, like Monday 4 classes, like that. And also in every day we can student can see the classes he has. Here we have INT 408 along with the professor name. I have given a random name and a room number. Now the notes we were adding in the generate timetable, we can see it here, like bring notebook for the reminder if in case student forget, like for INT 209 student has to bring laptop. So that was our project. Here in this project we see how we created a timetable that is very user friendly, and user can keep track of its classes, its learning hours, all these things very effectively.